everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my premium BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of December. My box came a little early this month, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So today we're going to be doing a full unboxing and review of everything inside. Now, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my premium unboxing for December 2022, stay tuned. Alright, so jumping right in, the theme is "'Tis the Season for Being Extra." We are back to theme cards that don't remind me of 2018, so I'm really happy about that. And December, 'tis the season, really cute, really on brand, definitely makes sense. This is going to be variation, so 22 for 2022, 12 for December, so variation 201, which means we have a ton of variations this month. Now, I will be doing a full putting on, try-on demo at a later date with all of my subscription box items, but today we're just going to talk through the items inside. But there are very few that I have not used and am not familiar with. I just might have like a different shade in my collection, if that makes sense. So first time out of the box, from Translucid Beauty, this is the Midnight Decios, yes, that's correct. Midnight Decios eyeshadow palette. Set your intentions and make a wish. This limited edition, cruelty-free and vegan palette features 8 matte, shimmer, and metallic shades infused with Mexican blue agave. Includes a removable keepsake mirror to create the most beautiful looks in time for that Midnight Decio. Retails for $35, and this is a new launch. Now, we have gotten eyeshadow palettes from this brand in the past, and I found them to be okay. Like, you can make them work, you could definitely get a good look out of them, but they definitely never ranked as one of my favorite palettes or formulas. But I am excited to give this one a try just to see if it has updated a little bit. Jumping into the inside, so we have, oh, that's really actually quite cute. This reminds me of the nude palette we got from Lunar Beauty a couple months ago. Absolutely love that palette. It just screams to me. And I love that the mirror is removable, because that means, you know, the amount of times that people are like trying to hold up a palette to do their makeup like this, I love that I can keep the palette down and pull the mirror up. Definitely a very cute idea and a cute perk. And yeah, really quite ingenious, actually. Now, the colors look phenomenal. I love the way these metallic ones are speaking. And really excited to use this because from a color story perspective, it's definitely a neutral palette. You have a little bit of warmth in it right here, but it definitely leans cool, which is more what I'm inclined to gravitate towards. But I can easily see this becoming like an everyday go-to palette for myself or anybody else. The next product comes from Grown Alchemist. This is the Anti-Pollution Primer. Create the perfect base for makeup application with this lightweight hydrating gel primer featuring bioactive botanical ingredients to provide double-duty protection against pollution and blue light, while instantly blurring wrinkles and pores for smooth, flawless-looking skin. Grown Alchemist is one of those brands where I've liked every product I've tried, so this is something that I do really think will be a good addition to the collection. It's a little bit of a pricier line, so this one being $42 is actually fairly low for their typical price point. Not that that's not a high-end price point, but their stuff is usually exorbitant. The next product comes from Complex Culture. This is the All Eyes Brush Trio. Meet this award-winning multitasking brush trio designed to make your life easier. Each brush is made to do the work of multiple brushes in one, saving you both time and effort. With the first of its kind biodegradable handles in a velvety matte finish for an extra grip and control, collect all 3 easy eye brushes in this on-the-go kit, retailing for $40. Now, I have actually received this already in an Ipsy, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, it's Ipsy's brand, so that makes sense. So I do have all 3 of these brushes, and I do really like them. I'm not going to be using these ones. I'll drop these in an upcoming giveaway, but I will go into my collection, pull out mine, and use those to use for an eye look with the eyeshadow palette in this video, just so we can kind of do all of it in one. Next, from Make Beauty, this is the Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment, retailing for $26. The lip serum product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with natural lip voluminizing ingredients derived from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax. The lip conditioning treatment adds luxuriously long-lasting shine and cushion. I've gotten a few of these. I got one in my flip box. I got one in, it was either an Ipsy or a BOXYCHARM a couple months ago, but I have this in like 3 different colors. Really do like the formula. This color is definitely more on the pink side, but my lips are feeling a little dry, so we're gonna try it on. It looked very pink on the wand, but it went on just like a really soft blush color. It's very pink in there, but it is on the sheer side. So I actually think this looks very like your lips, but better. And I feel like even with no makeup on, I can get away with wearing a color like this. It's a little more pigment than I would like for a no makeup look, but I think with a little lip liner with a tiny bit of concealer, this could be a really nice color. Next, from Ciate London, this is the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. This is a repeat product that I got from BOXYCHARM several months ago, if not like a year ago, but we have received this before. This delicately scented ultrafine mist helps to maintain hydration, keep makeup in place, and add a natural dewy finish to your makeup, retailing for $22. Now, you know I love a good face mist and I love a good refresh, so even though I don't remember if I liked this or not, but we will be trying it again. There is no sparkle or glitter in there. Definitely a nice fine mist. Smells like watermelon. Actually really refreshing. I feel like it feels nice on the skin, and it is a super fine mist, so I think this will work really well on top of makeup. But again, we'll give it a try in an upcoming demo where we do everything. And the last item is from Beauty for Certain. This is the Perfect Collab. Your Perfect Collab is here in an expertly matched eyeliner pencil set. These creamy, easy glide liners go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying power, and that is Beauty for Certain, retailing for $38. Now, this is in the shade Part 2 Bronze, so that means we have a black liner in the shade Part 1. I'm sorry, this is a navy liner. And then for Part 2, we have a bronze. So really like that bronze and navy do work really well together. If you wanted to do the dark blue or the navy in your waterline, and then take the bronze on the lid just to give yourself some accentuation, or reversing that, that's fine too. Love that the colors work well together. Normally when I get liner duos, I feel like it's color combos we've seen a million times. How many times am I going to get a brown and red lip liner duo, or a black and champagne eyeliner duo? So the fact that they did navy and bronze, I'm really excited about. And the only other item I've used from this brand was a mascara, and I really, really liked it. So normally I would say, like, I'm going to pass on this, I have enough liners, but I will be using this in the video because I do want to give these a try. And I think that with a palette like this, going with a navy liner to pair with some of these warm tone browns would really complement each other nicely, and a little bit of bronze with either this metallic shade up here or this one down here would also work really well together. Now, this box had a retail value of $203, which means you get all of these products for $203. Now, it is the premium box, so after taxes and stuff, it comes out to about $40 a month for the subscription. So obviously, if you love everything in the box, you're getting your money's worth. Now, to see, in my opinion, if it's a good box or not, I like to see, would I be better taking $40 and going to Ulta, Sephora, or Target, or Walmart, or wherever you get your beauty products and just buying what I want, versus getting the box? And in this case, I think it's a great box. I have eyeshadow, eyeliners, primer, setting spray, eyeshadow brushes, and a really great lip product. There's nothing in here that I'm like, oh my god, I hate it. Everything is either something I'm excited to try, or something I know I like already, it's just a different shade. So really excited about this box. Definitely a win for me. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!